In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add left and right arrows for a slider in Dreamweaver. We'll build a simple image slider and give it working left and right controls using clean HTML, CSS, and a small bit of JavaScript. Start in your HTML, inside the body. Create a wrapper with a class named slider. Inside it, add a container called slides and place your images there, each with the class slide and a clear alt description for accessibility. After the images, still inside the slider, add two arrow elements, one with the eyed arrow left and one with the eyed arrow right. You can use the left and right arrow character codes as their content, or swap them out later for icons or images if that fits your design better. Replace the placeholder file names with your real image paths. For smooth transitions, keep your images the same dimensions so the layout doesn't jump between slides. Next, style everything with CSS, either in a style block or an external style sheet. Make the slider container position relative, set its width to around 80%, center it with automatic margins, and hide any overflow so extra image edges don't spill out. Hide each slide by default by setting them not to display, and ensure they take full width so images scale to the container. Then style the arrow class so each arrow sits on top of the slider, position absolute, around 45% from the top, with a comfortable font size, white color, a semi-transparent dark background, a bit of padding, a pointer cursor, and a higher z-index so it appears above the images. Position the left arrow by anchoring it to the left, and the right arrow to the right. Add a hover effect that slightly darkens the background to make the arrows feel interactive. Tweak the size, colors, or top offset to match your design and to keep the arrows readable against your images. Finally, add the behavior with JavaScript just before the closing body tag. Select all elements with the slide class and keep track of a current index starting at 0. When the left arrow is clicked, hide the current slide, move backward, wrapping to the last slide when needed, and show the new slide. When the right arrow is clicked, do the same in the forward direction, wrapping back to the start. Don't forget to initially reveal the first slide so the slider isn't empty. If you place the script in an external file, load it at the end of the document or use the defer attribute so the elements exist before the code runs. Save and preview in your browser or Dreamweaver's live view. If nothing happens, double-check that your arrow IDs and class names match your code. That's it. You now have a basic arrow-controlled slider ready to style and extend.